Jesus. Okay. So there's carp in here now. Just scared the hell out of me.
Take out the papers and the trash, or you don't get no spending cash. If you don't scrub that kitchen floor, you ain't gonna rock and roll no more. Yiggity yak.
Don't talk back.
I don't want to get too close to these guys because they will defecate on me from up there. I've seen it happen too many times. These guys are here every year. The same tree. Looks like we've got some construction going on the County Road Bridge here. Hey, Mr. Pigeon. Woo, woo. You probably can't hear it because of all the traffic on the county road over here that winds around this area. Back in here is a carp, I believe, because I can hear the sucking noise on the stems of the grasses here. I can't get back in there. I can see bubbles rising. I can't get back in there because there's two trees down between us. But usually this time of year I'd see schools and schools of carp out here right near the top of the water. Big carp too. But last year, 2021, there was a big die-off in May where the temperature rose so hot for like a week or two here, unseasonably hot for that time of year, that it killed off probably 600, 800, maybe 1,000 of these carp. Where'd they go? Oh, you see that? I'm not sure the camera picked that up. There's all these little ripples in the water. It looks like little fish coming up. What would you call them? Fingerlings, I guess? Fingerling, that size of fish. Baby fish. I can't tell what type of fish they are. So all I can see is the ring, and they come up and make a little noise and go back down. It is the end of July already. It's crazy. I think this is my only time out in the Delta kayak this month. Unless I went out the first week of July. Other than that, I don't think I've been out too often in the kayak this month. But I am back in the kayak, at least for a few hours. It's close to 8:30 p.m. on July 29th, 2022. The sun is going to be setting within the next hour. I've been out here already for about an hour, I guess. And just thought I'd come out and see what's cooking in the nature area of Pittock. Seeing a few birds, heron, I think mergansers. Is that what's in the tree over there? I'm not sure. I'll have to look that up. And what else? I've seen turtle, which is not a bird. Blue jays, chickadees. There was something else I saw. Well, a seagull, but whatever. Seen a lot of nature going on tonight. That's why I like coming out at night. I think I see more at night than I do during the daytime here. The clouds are rolling in. Well, they're not rolling in, but they're hanging in, so. And the sun is going to start setting here, so I'm gonna get rolling here and see what else I can find on the way back. All right, here we go. Thanks for watching, by the way. It's much appreciated. Okay, let's go. You know the water level's low when I usually paddle over these branches here. It's been a dry month here, and we are probably 1.5 or 2 feet lower than the normal maximum of this lake is. Jesus! Okay. So there's carp in here now. Just scared the hell out of me. I just going by that branch over there in the water and just whoosh. You probably heard it. I'm gonna go back and see if they're still there. I wasn't expecting that. Gets the heart racing just a little bit. Hey, we're back in business. I just replaced the battery here. This went dead. So I got my drone case here, and cameras in the bag, and batteries in the bag, which are back here in this dry bag. You know, I should really carry a couple batteries in my life vest here, my PFD, but I'm not smart enough to do that, so I have to reach around here. Lucky I have long arms. Oh, there goes the paddle. Don't want to lose that. It's never not interesting. There you go. Okay. We're all good now. Everything's locked up. Battery is good. Paddle is here. I only have probably 30 minutes to get this kayak back to the takeout area and get squared away on the car shortly here. Okay, I'm gonna go see if the carp came back. This time I'll go slow by that same area and just see. Let's take a look, shall we? Keep an eye out. It could happen any minute now. Any minute. It's right in here. Oh. I see some swirls over there, but they didn't really jump, so. Oh, those are birds. Those are just birds. Those are birds. Yeah, those are birds. Those aren't carp. It's not flying carp. Oh my lord, there are hundreds of birds in here. What is going on in there? Oh my god. Oh my. I don't know if you can hear the. Oh my god. I got. There's birds and above me and carp below me going on at the same time here. Look at these things. There are thousands of them. And none of them like me. There's more over here. Let's go bother them, shall we? Holy son of a... I have yet to be pooped on. I see some dead carp. Oh, I'm an idiot. I went by here thinking that was an upside down dead carp, and it just happens. I don't know what that is. It's some sort of floating cloth or garbage. I thought it was a rotting corpse of a carp. Never mind. No, I haven't been drinking. When I went past it, I just kind of caught my corner of my eye and I thought, it looks like an eye and a gill, and nope. It's just floating something garbage. I don't know. Anyway, Carpe diem. Lots of birds. Lots of birds. Oh my god, there's birds everywhere. There are birds. Hey there! So if you've tuned in to see lots of birds, you've came to the right channel. Oh my god, they're everywhere. Okay, I gotta get back. It's a nice, beautiful night. Probably around 24, 25 degrees out. No humidity. Just a beautiful paddle tonight. Don't forget about the pigeons. Pigeons are birds too. So I think that's going to do it for today's adventure. And before I do anything else, it's really stupid, before I get back. So, like I always say, get out there and get lost. See you later. Yeah, it's getting dark. Just going back to get my kayak out of the water here. It's about, what time is it? So it's what, 9, 10, 11 after 9 now. It's getting darker earlier as the season progresses here.